Okay, so what do we have here? We have a zone dampener actuator not working downstairs, but they have been working in the past, so that's not a problem. But let's see what we have here. Let's read this little secondary transformer. Here's the primary, that's for the unit. Here's the second one somebody added in for the zone dampeners, and it's on little 18 gauge wire. And if we come over to, let's see if I could get in there. Sorry guys, we're gonna go sideways. I'm gonna make you seasick. Right there. 240 volts. Secondary 24. Okay, that's fine, that's great. Nothing wrong there, right? So let's see what we have. And it's tapping off the black and yellow wire going into the contractor. And what do we have? We have 208 volts. So we're feeding a transformer that was meant for 240, 208 volts. That would explain why we are only getting 21 volts. And it goes up and down depending on how many dampeners are open. They have 6 dampeners on this system. Every dampener is rated at 7 volt amps, and they have 6 of them, and this is only a 40 volt amp transformer. So basically we're peaking out the transformer at max capacity. On top of that, we're feeding it too low of a voltage, so it drops the voltage. And when the dampeners are actuated, the line voltage for the secondary drops down to 19 volts, which is below the rating for the actuators to properly work. But they were kind of working, and they've been working for years like this, but now there's a problem. You don't fix the problem, you go back. That's a symptom of what could have been the problem. Maybe the actuator and where the bearings go, they're starting to get a little hard to turn now. They're getting old, starting to stick. It needs a little bit more power, but it can't deliver that extra power because one, it was undersized in the first place, and under voltage. So before we diagnose any more or change anything, first we're going to correct the beginning problem that somebody installed this in the first place in this location. Take care of that, and then go into the diagnosis once we have our full 24 volts going to our system, and we could load and turn on all the actuators without drawing down the power down to 19 volts. That's it. Quick one for today. See you guys.